paella. Oh, this tastes good, no?
It's really good.
Oh yeah.
What's that burnt part called?
Sukara.
I like that.
The burnt part, the burnt part is the sukara.
Reminds me of
So today we made paella, a seafood paella, and I haven't made seafood paella in a long time. I think the last time was 2 years ago. But I still have the pan. It was a request by my wife to cook paella, so here we are with seafood paella. We were lucky enough to find some chorizo de belota iberico, which is the Spanish pork, Spanish pig that really is the pigs that eat acorns for the finishing, so they have really good flavor in the pork. So I had that sausages added in here. But before that, I'd like to thank my kids and my wife for my wonderful apron, Papa Franz Cooks. They also magazined my recipes, which are in the YouTube channel. So here we have it. It's not published for public consumption at this point, but eventually it will be, I hope. Well, we'll see what happens. But anyway, so here we have it, the seafood paella my way. And if you look at it, the way that paella should be done, it should not be watery. It should be moist, that's for sure. And you'll have the burnt edges, which will make it a true paella. What you're really going after will be what they call as the burnt part of the paella, which will be the sukarat. So once you scrape that off the pan, you'll see that burnt rice. It's a little bit hard to scrape off, but that's the best part for the seafood paella or paella. So here we're going to have a good taste and see. If you'll notice, it looks burnt. Normally, we wouldn't eat something that's burnt. Here in America, we don't like burnt stuff. But for paella, the burnt rice is actually the good part. So let's see how this turns out. Hopefully it turns out good. This is seafood, so we have shrimp, scallops, cod, what else did I put? Calamari. So, okay, can have a taste. Oh, by the way, before that, I've also made a sauce for it, which is made out of parsley, the lemon zest, lemon juice, and what's it called? Lemon juice and olive oil. Normally, you just put this around as a sauce, like a dressing for the paella. But does it taste good? No.
It's really good.
Oh, yeah.
What's that burnt part called?
Sukarat.
I like that.
The burnt part, the burnt part is the sukarat.
It reminds me of the stone pot stuff from Korean restaurants.
Oh yeah, see?
Because they do that. They put
It's good.
they like burn the rice, but with sesame oil. Kind of like that.
Yeah, there you go. So if you eat paella, you know that it's good paella if you have the sukarat or the burnt rice. If the paella turns out to be like moist, that's just basically rice with things, as they say, rice with vegetables or meat and things like that. It should look like this, a bit dry, but you could further cook this where it will really look like the rice will have spacing in between, because that's really when it gets dried out. So this is our seafood paella my way. Fortunately, was able to cook it deliciously, and hopefully you try it. It's easy, well, a little bit easy, but also not very hard. And also, this is a 13-inch paella pan that you could buy at online or go to Sulatab, and it's available for you. This will fit around, they say, 3 to 4 people. As you can see, if you divide it into 4, yeah, that's roughly around 3 to 4 people to serve. Okay? Maybe just for 2 people. Anyway, hopefully you try it, and when you try it, do enjoy. Alright? And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!